It is afternoon here on Crestbuckle Homestead, and we are actually getting ready to clear the area for our orchard that will come in spring or fall of next year. And so that's what you hear in the background is some chainsaw noise. My job is to pile the thin twigs and unusable branches into a pile. This is also the start of our wood pile for next season. Cleaned up most of this area. A few more sticks taken care of. So we took down about 3 trees. And when I say we, I mean my husband used a chainsaw, and I got to carry all of the bits over to this pile over here and pretend like I was the world's best javelin thrower in order to get all of the branches into the pile. But it's pretty impressive. And then he started cutting down one more, but it wasn't in the area, so I'm gonna let him do the work. But it's a pretty chilly day out here, maybe about 34 degrees. Beautiful. Obviously the sun's out and shining, it's gorgeous. Not a cloud in the sky. My pants are falling down. Before we bought this house, or when I bought this house, we went down to Goodwill and bought a bunch of jeans that I didn't really care about, so that when I hauled wood, I didn't worry about snagging them or tearing them, or when I painted, I didn't worry about getting paint on them. And it's been really good, except that you should probably try and get as close to your size as possible so they don't end up around your knees. But yeah, so I've been pulling my pants up, and my shirt is running up. So I've been pulling my shirt down, and my nose is running. So, but it's just been fun. I've definitely worked up an appetite for dinner. So let's go see the other tree that he cut down. What else did you cut down? The what? A cherry tree? Not the kind that makes fruit though, right?
Black tree.
Why did you cut that one down?
Leaning.
It was leaning. Even though we're gonna cut all of them down?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. There you go. Leaning trees are easy.